Imagine this. You're standing in a cafe in another country. You want to order coffee. Your mind is racing. You know English, but suddenly your brain goes blank.
And the waiter is smiling, waiting, and you're thinking, why did my English leave me right now?
If this has ever happened to you, welcome. You're not alone.
Because today's episode is not about classroom English. It's not about exam English. It's about real English for daily life around the world.
The English you need in cafes, offices, streets, airports, shops, meetings, and real conversations.
And if you stay with us till the end of this episode, you won't just learn English, you'll start living English.
So grab your headphones, relax your shoulders, and let's travel the world with English.
Here's a truth nobody tells you. English changes from place to place, but daily life English stays the same everywhere.
Whether you're in India, Brazil, the US, the UK, Africa, Europe, people don't use big grammar. They use simple, useful English.
And that's exactly what we're going to give you today.
And hey, quick reminder, if you want videos that actually help you speak confidently in real life, make sure you subscribe. This channel is your global English partner.
Global English is not about accent. It's not about sounding British or American.
Global English is about being understood, clear, simple, confident.
For example, textbooks teach, I would like to inquire about the availability of.
But real people say, do you have this?
Short, simple, powerful. Let me tell you something embarrassing. My first day abroad, I wanted to buy bread.
This already sounds dangerous.
I walked into a shop and said, hello, sir, I want to consume bread.
Consume?
The shopkeeper looked at me like I was doing science. Then he said, you mean you want to buy bread?
And this is why daily life English matters.
Let's fix this forever. Here's Global Cafe English. It works everywhere.
You say, hi, can I get a coffee, please? 1 sugar. That's all, thanks.
That's it. No stress, no drama.
Repeat after us. Say it confidently. Both. Can I get a coffee, please? That's all, thanks.
Daily life means talking to people you don't know.
And you don't need big sentences. Examples. Excuse me, is this the right place? Can you help me? Thank you so much.
These 4 sentences can say you in any country. Excuse me, sorry, maybe, if possible.
Stop.
Excuse me, can you help me?
See the difference? Confidence is not loud. Confidence is clear.
Now let's go to the workplace.
Office English around the world is surprisingly simple. Examples you need are, let's start. I'll check. I'll get back to you. Sounds good. I agree.
Repeat with us. I'll get back to you. Sounds good.
Simple English works because your brain feels safe.
When your brain feels safe, you speak better.
That's why children speak confidently. They don't try to sound smart.
Airports scare everyone, even fluent speakers.
But daily airport English is easy. Examples. Here's my passport. I'm traveling for vacation. Just a few days. Thank you.
That's global English. No confusion. If you're watching this and thinking, I'm still not confident, listen carefully.
You don't need perfect English to live globally.
You need brave English.
And if this kind of real-life English is helping you, don't forget to subscribe, because every episode here is designed to help you survive and shine anywhere in the world. And as you move through daily life, you slowly realize something important. You don't actually need perfect English. You need practical English, the kind that works everywhere.
Daily life English is like a universal key. Once you have it, doors open in any country.
Exactly. Because people around the world don't expect you to speak like a professor. They just want to understand you.
Shopping English is one of the most useful skills.
And also one of the most stressful, if you overthink.
So let's make it simple. Examples you can use anywhere. Hi, how much is this? Do you have another size? Can I try this? I'll take it. Thank you.
That's it. No grammar fight. No stress.
Repeat after us, confidently. How much is this? I'll take it.
True story. I once wanted to ask for a cheaper price.
Oh no.
I said, "Can you reduce the money?"
Reduce the money?
The shopkeeper smiled and said, "You mean discount?"
And this is why simple, common words matter.
The correct daily life English is there any discount?
When you're lost in a new place, English becomes your best friend.
Simple global phrases. Excuse me, where is this place? How far is it? Is it nearby? Thank you so much.
Notice something. No long sentences. No fear.
Repeat. Excuse me, where is this place?
People listen from meaning, not perfection.
If your message is clear, your English is good enough.
This is why daily life English works globally.
Phone English is scary for everyone.
Because you can't see faces.
But again, simple English wins. Useful phone phrases. Hello, this is. Can I speak to? One moment, please. I'll call you back. Thank you for calling.
Repeat with us. I'll call you back.
Hello, I would like to formally inform you that.
Stop. Hi, I'm calling about this.
Daily English doesn't need decoration. It needs clarity.
Now let's talk about modern life. Zoom, Teams, Google Meet.
Global online English is very simple. Must-know phrases. Can you hear me? You're on mute. Let's start. I agree. Sounds good. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
These phrases are used in offices worldwide.
Repeat. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Small talk connects people everywhere.
And it's not about being funny. It's about being friendly. Easy small talk starters. Nice weather today. Busy day? How's it going? Long day, huh? These work in every culture.
Let's pause for a second. If you've ever felt shy, silent, or invisible because of your English,
Remember this. You belong anywhere in the world.
your accent is not a weakness.
Your English doesn't need to be perfect.
Your effort is enough.
And if this kind of real, usable English is helping you,
Subscribe to this channel.
because every episode here is made for people who want to live confidently, globally.
Food time. Everyone needs this.
Simple restaurant English. Table for two, please. Can we see the menu? I'll have this. Can I get the bill? Thank you.
Repeat. Can I get the bill, please?
Once I said check instead of bill.
Did they understand?
Yes, because confidence plus context works.
That's a powerful lesson.
Daily life also means making plans. Global English phrases. Are you free today? Let's meet later. What time works for you? Sounds good to me.
These sentences are used everywhere, from cafes to offices.
No one is born with fluent English.
People become fluent by using English in daily life.
One situation at a time, one sentence at a time. And as you use English in more daily situations, you start noticing a pattern. Most problems don't come from lack of English. They come from fear, overthinking, and pressure. People around the world make the same mistakes, no matter where they're from.
So if you feel nervous while speaking English, congratulations, you're normal.
Global mistake number 1, trying to sound too smart.
This is the biggest mistake everywhere.
People think, if I use big words, I sound fluent, but real fluent speakers do the opposite. Example, I would like to commence the process of discussion versus let's talk about it.
Simple English sounds confident. Complicated English sounds nervous.
I hereby wish to express my dissatisfaction.
Bro, just say, I'm not happy.
Daily life English is not a speech competition. Global mistake number 2, apologizing too much.
Many learners say sorry before every sentence.
Sorry, my English is bad. Or, sorry, can I ask something?
Stop apologizing for learning. Better English. Can I ask something? Can you help me? Just a quick question.
Confidence is silent. You don't need permission to speak. Global mistake number 3, translating in the middle of speaking.
This breaks fluency.
Instead, think in chunks.
Examples of chunks. I think so. I'm not sure. That's fine. Let me check. It depends.
Chunks save your brain. Situation 12, problem-solving English.
Problems happen everywhere.
Useful global phrases. There's a problem. It's not working. Can you help me? Let's fix this. It's okay now.
These sentences work in shops, offices, hotels, anywhere.
I once said the machine is dead. And?
They understood because meaning matters more than grammar.
That's global English in action. Situation 13, English in emergency or urgent moments. In urgent moments, English must be fast and clear. Global emergency phrases. I need help. Please help me. It's urgent. Call someone, please. I'm not okay.
No fancy words, just clear English.
Some people stop speaking because they're scared of mistakes.
But your silence helps no one.
Your voice matters. Your message matters.
Even broken English can change your life.
Situation 14, making friends in daily life.
English helps you connect.
Easy friendship English. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? How long have you been here? What do you like to do?
These questions are friendly everywhere.
So, what is the meaning of life?
Wrong timing.
Daily life English is light, easy, friendly.
Situation 15. Expressing opinions without fighting.
Global English is polite and calm.
Useful phrases. I think, in my opinion, I see your point, I agree. I'm not sure about that.
These phrases help you sound respectful worldwide. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
Every time you speak, you improve.
Even if it's messy.
Confidence grows by use, not waiting.
If you're enjoying these real-life examples, subscribe to the channel.
Because we're building confidence one real situation at a time.
Situation 16, saying no politely.
This is very important.
Global polite no. I can't right now. Maybe later. I'm not available. I'll pass, thanks. You don't need long explanations.
Situation 17. Daily digital English. Texts and messages.
Daily life includes texting. Global message English. On my way. Running late. Let me know. Got it. Thanks.
Short messages, clear meaning.
If you use even 10 sentences from today,
You're already a global English user.
not perfect, but powerful. And when you reach this point, something quietly powerful happens. You stop asking, is my English good enough? And you start asking, what do I want to say?
That's the real shift. Not language first, confidence first. Because daily life English around the world doesn't belong to perfect speakers. It belongs to active speakers.
Let's be honest for a moment. Most people you talk to in English are not judging your grammar. They're thinking about their coffee, their work, their bus, their life.
They're not sitting there like English examiners.
So stop putting pressure on yourself. If people understand you, your English is working.
Daily life English is not only about information, it's also about feelings. Global feeling English. I'm tired. I'm happy. I'm stressed. I'm excited. I'm worried.
These sentences connect humans everywhere. You don't need poetry. You need honesty.
I once wanted to say, I'm tired. Instead, my brain said, I am experiencing a lack of energy due to prolonged activity.
Sir, go sleep.
Lesson learned. Simple English saves energy, literally.
Mistakes happen everywhere. Best global responses. Sorry, I mean, let me say that again. My mistake. Oh, okay.
These sentences keep the conversation alive. Mistakes don't kill fluency. Silence does.
Here's a rule fluent people follow unconsciously. Say it once, say it clearly, move on.
No repeating, no apologizing, no explaining your English level. Confidence is not loud. Confidence is calm. Daily life English doesn't start outside. It starts at home. Easy home English thoughts. I'm hungry. I need water. I'll do this later. I'm watching something. I should rest.
If you use English in private, you'll use it confidently in public. Let's pause for a moment. If you're still watching this video, that means one thing. You care about improving your life.
And that already puts you ahead of most people.
Maybe your English isn't perfect yet, but it's alive, it's growing, and it's yours.
Let's summarize everything into one simple formula. Simple English plus daily use plus calm mind equals global confidence.
That formula works in every country.
From today, replace fear with this sentence. I can handle this.
At the cafe, at work, on the phone, in a new country.
Say it in your mind. Say it in English.
One last funny truth. You know what confuses people more than accent?
What?
Whispering English. Yes, speak up.
Strong accent plus clear voice greater than perfect accent plus low confidence.
Here's a powerful daily habit. Every day, say just 5 sentences about your life. Example, I woke up early. I had a busy day. I talked to someone. I learned something. I'm proud of myself.
5 sentences a day. That's all. Over time, fluency builds naturally. English is not a foreign language anymore. It's a global bridge.
And you are allowed to walk on that bridge. You don't need permission. You don't need perfection. If this episode helped you feel more confident,
If it made English feel more human,
then subscribe to this channel.
because this is not just an English channel.
This is a confidence channel for global life.
I can speak English.
I can live globally.
I am confident.
I am improving every day.
My English is enough.
Keep it simple
Keep it real.
and keep speaking English everywhere you go. See you in the next episode.